Alright guys, in a quick one, I just still want to introduce this light up correcting serum for you. You see? Okay, you can see that way. Alright, let me see, I'll try to get it. Try to get it this way for you. You see? I don't know, okay. Oh, my sensor, camera sensor. What are you doing? Maybe they will say like this. Oh, don't take my day. Anyway, just light up serum. Light up serum. You see, day serum is exactly what it said about it, like the correcting serum. You making a lotion, always go with this. It corrects your lotion for you. It removes dark spot as well. Yes, it removes dark spot from your elbows and all that. You can count on this. All right, this is one thing. Like a lot of people, they say they don't really know when they're missing. We have a lot of them. You know, everybody doing all this product. They just say from dark spot, it remove dark spot, it remove dark spot, it remove it, anti this, anti that, anti that. All of them is anti. Yeah. I would say they are not what it said there, but if you want to count on one that is working effectively, you can kind of just light up and then make sure you go for the original. The only thing that will make this thing not to work when it's not original. Yes, I don't guarantee you if it's not original, I don't guarantee you. Right? The only thing that will make it not to work when it's not original. Okay, let me put it close to it. Maybe you're gonna show up clearly now. I just want you to see. You know, we have the pink one, and then we have another one like orange, right? So, but what I'm telling you is this: go for this. And we have the lotion too. Let me just show you in the jiffy. Let me show you the lotion. Sorry, okay. We're in here. Look at the lotion. Look at the lotion. Right? So when you mix these two together, not all just, I told you, I always say this, that you should go with what? Quantity. So you should always have to gauge the quantity. So when you mix these two up, when you mix them well with the right gauge, you go get what you want. They have tendency, let me look from here what, because I know, yes, okay. It's a dark spot correcting beauty lotion. You see it now? And it's made of carotene, collagen, and vitamin C, B, and you know. So yeah, and also vitamin E also. Are you getting it? So yeah, the tendency of making your skin look clean as a beautiful baby, bouncy baby. Are you getting it? And remove dark spot. Yeah, and then you can use it also to pro-mix. It's a very good lotion that you only look for the right. So I don't even know the lotion to use to pro-mix. You can look for the right one. You can get this one to pro-mix. To pro-mix a very whitening, good-looking cream, you can use this. So don't forget, my brother, my sister, I've just opened up to you a very good secret today. That you, those of you looking for the right serum and looking for the right lotion. Yes, I remain here, I remain Austin Global. I will keep giving you secret about all these things. Yes, we're not coming here to make drama. Like I will always say, you give me drama, I give you drama. Like I'll be infusing a little drama into my videos to make it sweet, but not yet, not to say we are joke-ass people. We are not joking in here. Alright? We are not joking, we are not acts like that. Okay? So I tell you, re-talk about this. Go for this. Go for this. Go for this. Alright, stay tuned on Austin Global channel. You know, until we come your way next time. Don't forget about us that we ship everywhere. We ship to US, we ship to UK, Canada, you know, name it everywhere. Asia country, Europe, you know, everywhere. Even neighboring African countries, we ship everywhere. Yes, and perfectly delivering. You know, within 3-4 days, 5 days, we deliver to you. Okay, even in this country also, we ship, we deliver everywhere. So don't forget, always stay with us. Always stay with us to get the good vibe from us.